Bitcoin Cash could rise 4.6% tomorrow, Gov Capital data forecasts. We'll start with how things are shaping up on the chart today. Bitcoin Cash has fallen 4.5% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $257.20. Time to check out today's forecast lineup. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to show $248.77 by August 29, down by approximately 3.4%. CoinLore anticipates Bitcoin Cash could touch $255.36, marking a fall close to 0.9%. Coin price forecast highlights the potential to move upward to $266, a projected rise of 3.3%. A separate projection from Gov Capital suggests Bitcoin Cash could move toward $269.39, roughly 4.6% higher than now. To finish, 30 rates aims for $271 by tomorrow with upside of 5.2%. It's the top return call in this batch. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. Now let's break down what the forecasts imply for tomorrow. The data from all analysts combined indicates the price could move within the range between a decline of 3.4% and a gain of 5.2%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, 30 rates comes out on top with 5.2% boost in value by August 29. As a result, you could earn between $9 and $52 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, CoinLore tops the list with a 92.7% chance of success. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. The consensus projection keeps Bitcoin Cash on a path 1.7% higher than current levels. Here's what the details look like. The consensus outlook indicates a potential 1.7% increase. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 1.7%, reflecting that same shift. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $17 in return. And according to the combined outlook, this consensus view for Bitcoin Cash comes with an 89.5% probability. Here's where we look at the 3-day predictions across analysts. CoinDataFlow points to further weakness. Meanwhile, CoinLore sees Bitcoin Cash trending lower. Coin price forecast sees the price heading higher. Additionally, Gov Capital expects Bitcoin Cash to rise over the next few days. Also, 30 rates suggest the market will keep pressing upward. By combining the forecasts, the consensus points to Bitcoin Cash trading sideways in the short term. The combined analysis shows 60% of forecasts leaning bullish, indicating Bitcoin Cash could trend upward. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today, we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. By the end of trading, the price was $269.70. 4 out of 5 analysts predicted the right side of the move. The closest match to the actual price was from Coin Price Forecast. Let's piece it together. 4 forecasts stayed within the candle's range. As for ROI, a few forecasts showed profits, with Gov Capital leading the way. Here's the summary. A quick look at all forecast outcomes. CoinLore posted accuracy, 82.4% forecast probability, and 1.8% ROI. Look over the numbers. Which forecast do you think held up best? Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between Bitcoin Cash and other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin Cash tops the chart with an expected return of 1.7%. This comparison features Bitcoin Cash with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. Markets move fast. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's quick update. See you at the next update.